Good morning, everyone, or good afternoon. My name is Ivan Kisel, and I am here to represent the Chili Garlic Corporate Labor Union. Our mission is simple but powerful: to empower workers through collective action and ensure fairness in the workplace. Our union stands for In Fairness and Justice. Our mission is to empower workers through collective action, ensuring fair wage, job security, and safe working conditions. Our vision is a workplace where every worker's rights are respected and their voice are heard. Workers need strong voice. In decision making, our union will strengthen bargaining power, provide protection and against unfair treatment, and promoting fairness for all employees. Without a union, we negotiate alone; together we are stronger. We are industrial union that covers all roles in production, including production line workers, quality control, and logistics. Everywhere worker is essential and every worker deserves a say in workplace policies. Our union will focus on four main issues: fair wage. Every worker deserves proper pay, health benefits, and bonus. The next one is safe condition. We will ensure protective gear, hygiene, and hazard-free environment. The next one is job security. We will protect against unfair dismissal. The next one is employee rights. No worker should face discrimination or unfair treatment. Our proposal outlines our mission, vision, and negotiation prioritize. This document will serve as your roadmap for change and will guide our discussions with management. As the incoming union president, I will bring experience in labor relations, negotiation, and advocacy. My goal is to ensure that every worker has a voice and fair deal in the workplace. What to say is a strong union means empowerment, in fairness, and job security for all workers. We invite everyone to join us in making our workplace better. Together, we can create real change.